I would like to give an overview of some of the new features and enhancements in InstallShield 2009. But before we begin, we need to make sure we are on the same page. Go to the Help menu and choose About InstallShield. You should be using InstallShield 2009 SP1, Service Pack 1. If you are not, then go to the Tools menu, select Check for Updates, and download and install Service Pack 1. Now, I will read you the new features and enhancements of InstallShield 2009 from the official Acrosso InstallShield 2009 Service Pack 1 release notes. You now have the ability to associate InstallShield prerequisites with features. You have the ability to build Unicode versions of the Setup.exe and Update.exe bootstrappers. There is support for managed code custom actions. There is support for installing multiple instances of a product. There are new MSI tools that help troubleshoot complex issues with Windows installer packages. You have the ability to compress files that are streamed into Setup.exe and issetup.dll and to specify the compression level. And you have improved compatibility between the standalone build and InstallShield. You also have the ability to build a patch from the command line and from MS Build. There is Arabic and Hebrew language support. There is best practice dynamic file linking. You have the ability to hide InstallShield prerequisites from the list of prerequisites to be installed. There is support for adding the Yahoo toolbar to an installation to generate new sources of revenue for your company. Now, Windows Installer 4.5 has been released as a redistributable for Windows Server 2008, Windows Vista Service Pack 1, Windows XP Service Pack 2 and later, and Windows Server 2003 Service Pack 1 and later. InstallShield 2009 Service Pack 1 provides Windows Installer 4.5 support for the following functionality: installation of multiple packages using transaction processing, using the InstallScript engine as an embedded user interface for InstallScript MSI installations, using shared component patching, indicating whether a component should be uninstalled by a superseding patch, and running a custom action only during patch uninstallation. InstallShield 2009 also includes support for these key technologies: Visual Studio 2008, .NET Framework 3.5, .NET Framework 3.5 Language Packs, .NET Framework 3.0 Service Pack 1, .NET Framework 3.0 Language Packs, .NET Framework 2.0 Service Pack 1, SQL Server 2005 Express Service Pack 2, Windows Mobile 6.x, the .NET Compact Framework 3.5, and SQL Server Compact Edition 3.5. We'll look at a lot of these features and enhancements individually throughout the course. Now we'll look at the steps involved in creating a project in InstallShield.